This is general knowledge class. So today we will study lesson 17, places of worship. Lesson 17, places of worship. Places of worship means where we go to pray. Where we go to pray. God is worshipped in different names in different religions. You know, children, God is worshipped in different names in different religions. Example, Hindus worship God Durga Rama. Christians worship God Jesus. So Hindu and Christians are the name of different religion, and the name of the God is also different, as I have told, Rama, Durga and Jesus Christ. Every religion teaches us to be kind, speak the truth and pray God. Though our religions are different, our God names are different, but they all religions are teaching the same thing, that we should speak truth and pray God. So we must respect all religions. So it is our duty to respect all the religions. Here I have given you some sentences. You have to write these sentences in your copy as fill in the blanks. First sentence, Bhais go to worship in the Bhai house of worship. Bhais go to worship in the Bhai house of worship. Bhai is the name of religion. Bhai is the name of religion, and these religious people go to worship in the Bhai house of worship. Bhai house of worship is their worship place. That is their worship place. Okay, so you can get fill blank either on the Bhai or the place of worship, as the place of worship of the Bhais is Bhai house of worship. Okay, so Bhai is the name of religion, and these people go to worship in the Bhai house of worship. Second, Christians go to worship in the church. This is the picture of church, and Christians go to worship in the church. This is temple. Hindus go to worship in the temple. Hindus go to worship in the temple. Muslims go to worship in the mosque. Where Muslim worship, they go to worship in the mosque. Sikhs go to worship in the Gurudwara. Sikhs go to worship in the Gurudwara. Jains go to worship in the Jain temple. Jain is the religion, and they go to worship in the Jain temple. Buddhists go to worship in the monastery. Buddhists go to worship in the monastery. Buddhist is the religion, and they go to worship in the monastery. Zoroastrians go to worship in the fire temple. Zoroastrian is the religion, and they go to worship in the fire temple. Jews go to worship in the synagogue. Jews is the religion, and their worship place is synagogue. Their worship place is synagogue. Jews go to worship in the synagogue. So these sentences you have to write as a fill in the blanks in your copy, and complete the exercise given in the book and show it to me on my WhatsApp number. Along with that, you should keep on learning. Okay, children? Learn. Every day learn the chapters which I am giving. Okay? Thank you.